guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a polish, swatch, and review of the Pretty Woman nail polish, Island Brights Purple. I did order my polish online from A1 Great Deal Store on eBay for $4.20, free expedited shipping. They do carry many different polishes and brands for really good prices. I've never had a bad experience with A1 Great Deal Store. They are the ones that supplied the polish for the spring giveaway that we did. So if you're interested in their store, I will leave a link to their store in the description box below. You can also purchase the Pretty Woman nail polish from places like Rite Aid, Walmart, Five Below stores, and other online suppliers. So I'm going to start out with my first coat. It is a very pretty light purple color. It feels almost like silk going on. It's really smooth. The only thing that I can pick off right off the bat is that I hate a small nail brush, and that's probably just me. I know a lot of people like them smaller, but I do not like small nail brushes. We will see how it goes. So now that the first coat is complete, you can tell almost right away that it's very sheer, see-through. You will need more than one layer to get an opaque coat. It's a very light, faded purple. It's very pretty though. The dry time was real quick because the formula is thin. However, it wasn't so bad to where it flooded the cuticle area. I'm going to go ahead and start working on the second coat. So with two coats, you do get the opaque finish that I was looking for. It does go on real easy. It's not a very heavy polish. Although the brush was really small and thin, it applied very easily on the nail. I did really enjoy this polish. I love the color. The pigment is very nice. The formula is thin but not real runny. So the best thing about the Pretty Woman nail polish, and the reason why I purchased it, is because they are vegan, tin-free, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, petrochemical-free, GMO-Free, and Triclosan-Free. So I'm going to give it a few days to let it settle and get some wear and tear in and see if it does any chipping, and I will be right back. So these pictures are 3 days after I did the swatch, and the polish is still intact. No chipping, no hard wear and tear on the polish. So I'm very pleased with the outcome. Rating this polish 0 to 5 stars, I would definitely give it 5 stars. If you're interested in purchasing the Pretty Woman product, or if you want to read more about them, I will leave a link to their website in the description box. Also, some links will be in the blogger and on my website where you can purchase this product from. And that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed the pictures. Don't forget to hit your bell button for notifications for when I upload new content, and I will see y'all next Saturday.